Welcome to this Excel tutorial, where we'll unravel the art of changing date formats in your spreadsheets. In this video, we'll explore not one, but two methods to achieve this. Whether you're formatting a date for readability or aesthetics, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and uncover these two fantastic methods. Let's see the first method in this tutorial, using the Format Cell feature. This method provides precise control over your date format. Here's how you can do it. Start by selecting the cells containing the date values that you want to format. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. Alternatively, you can go to the Home tab, click on the Number Format drop-down, and select More Number Formats. In the Format Cells dialog, go to the Number tab. Select Date from the list of categories on the left. On the right, you'll see various date formats to choose from. Pick the one that matches your requirements, or customize it further. Click OK to apply the selected date format to the chosen cells. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using a text formula. This method provides flexibility and is perfect for situations where you need to customize the date format. Here's how to do it. Begin by selecting an empty cell where you want the formatted date to appear. In the selected cell, enter a text formula like this. Replace A1 with the cell reference containing the original date, and adjust the format within the quotation marks to your preference. Hit Enter to apply the formula. The cell will display the date in the format you specified. And there you have it. Two fantastic methods for changing date formats in Excel. Whether you prefer the precision of the Format Cell feature or the flexibility of text formulas, you now have the tools to style your dates as you wish. Thanks for watching.